Most AI music tools stop after they generate a song, but MusicCreator AI goes a bit further. You can generate a full track, replace lyrics, download stems, create MIDI files, turn audio into MIDI, master your song, and even create AI cover versions using custom voice models, including your own trained voice. So in this demo, I'm going to show you why MusicCreator AI is more than just a song generator. It's a full AI music creation suite. MusicCreator AI is designed for creators, artists, producers, content makers, and anyone who wants to make music faster. Instead of jumping between different tools for songwriting and production and editing, stems, MIDI, mastering, and vocal experiments, MusicCreator brings many of those tasks into this platform. In this walkthrough, I'm going to start with a simple song idea, generate a track, and then show how the platform can help you keep working with that song after it's created. So let's start with one of the core features, generating music from an idea. I'll begin with a simple prompt that describes the kind of song I want, including the mood, the genre, instruments, vocal, and overall energy. For this demo, I'll create an upbeat pop song about chasing your dreams in a big city. I want it to feel energetic, modern, emotional, with bright, punchy drums, female vocals, a catchy chorus, and a tempo around about 120 BPM. This gives MusicCreator AI a clear direction. So I'm not just saying make a song, right? I'm giving it a theme, a sound, a vocal style, and a production feel. Depending on your workflow, you can also start with your own lyrics or let the AI help generate lyrics for you. Now I'll generate the track and let MusicCreator AI turn this idea into a complete song. And once the song is ready, I can preview it directly inside the platform. Let's take a listen.
I left my name on the train with a tote bag and a plan. One-way smile, taped up shoes. I was built for more than plans. The rent's a joke, the nights are loud, but future don't slow me down.
So from one written idea, we now have a full musical result, including vocals, melody, lyrics, and instrumental production. But this is where MusicCreator AI gets even more useful. Instead of stopping with one finished audio file, you can keep editing, customizing, and repurposing the track. So let's say I like the song, but I want to change the lyrics. Maybe the chorus needs to be stronger. Maybe one line just doesn't fit, or maybe I want to adapt the song for a different audience. With the lyric replacement feature, I can update the words and generate a new version without starting the entire creative process from zero. This is useful for fixing weak lines, testing different hooks, rewriting a chorus, or creating alternate versions of the same song. Let me show you what I mean.
Bag and a plan on the train. I left my name.
Now let's look at the stems. A finished song is useful, but stems give you much more control. This program can separate a track into individual parts like vocals and drums and guitar and bass and the other instruments. That means you can download the pieces separately and then use them for remixing, editing, sampling, karaoke versions, or production work inside your DAW, which is your digital audio workstation like Logic, Pro Tools, BandLab, Cubase, Ableton Live, and Fruity Loops. For example, I could download only the vocals, remove the vocal and keep the instrumental, or take the drums and bass into another project. Music Creator AI also includes MIDI tools, which is a major advantage for producers and musicians. Instead of only working with audio, you can create MIDI files that are editable in your music software. MIDI gives you control over the notes, the timing, the chords, the rhythm, and arrangement. So if you generate a musical idea and want to customize it later, MIDI makes it easier to bring that idea into your own production workflow. So let's say you already have an audio idea. Maybe it's a melody you recorded, a rough piano part, a guitar riff, or even a vocal hum. With audio to MIDI, you can turn that recording into a MIDI file. Music Creator AI analyzes the audio and converts the musical information into editable notes. That means a quick idea can quickly become something you can edit, rearrange, transpose, or build into a larger production. So after creating and editing the track, the next step is to make it sound more finished. So with Music Creator AI's mastering tool, it can help you improve the overall loudness and balance and make it sound more radio ready. This is especially useful if you're preparing music for videos, for podcasts, social media, demos, or release-ready previews. The goal is to take a raw or unfinished track and make it feel more complete and balanced. For example, we can take the track that we just completed, we can bring it into the mastering feature and master our track that we created inside Music Creator AI. Another powerful part of this program is the AI cover and voice model workflow. You can create cover versions using available voice models or train a custom voice model from your own recordings. For example, if you want to hear a song performed in your own voice, you can use your own recordings to create a custom singing voice model and then apply that to your cover. You can also experiment with different vocal styles and voice models to hear how a song changes with a different performer. For best practice, you're going to want to use your own voice, licensed voices, or voice models you have permission to use. That keeps the workflow creative, professional, and respectful. Once the voice model and track are selected, Music Creator AI can generate a new cover version with that different sounding vocal. So, who is this program for? If you're a content creator, you can generate background music, theme songs, intros, and social media tracks. If you're a producer, you can use stems and MIDI to build ideas faster. If you're a songwriter, you can test lyrics, melodies, hooks, and alternate versions. And if you're working on demos, covers, or creative experiments, you can move from the idea to finished audio much, much faster. So that's the bigger picture. You can generate a song from a prompt, replace lyrics, download stems, create MIDI files, convert audio into MIDI, master your track, and create AI cover versions with your custom voice models. So it's not just about making one song. It's about giving you a complete AI-powered music workflow from idea to finished track. Start with one idea and turn it into a complete music project with Music Creator AI. I will leave a link in the description below so you guys can check out the software. And do me a favor and leave a comment and let me know your favorite AI music generation program. And I will see you all on the next video.